Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of R&D Garage, the machine shop episode. We recently picked up a surface grinder and a mill, and I'm about to tell you all about them. Okay, so like most of the cars and tools in our life, these two came in on a very, very sweet deal that we just could not say no to. The person that's moving out of the warehouse complex just basically needed to get rid of them ASAP. He knew we were into this kind of thing, and we said, thank you, we love you, and yes. Okay, let's talk about the mill first. This is a Bridgeport mill. It's a Series 1, 2 horsepower. It is one of the big boys of mills, let's put it that way. This is one of the mills, well, not personally, but the kind of mill that built America back in the day. Just heavy duty, well built. It's not going anywhere. You can, well, I'm actually not going to rub against it because it's seriously greasy, but you can be rest assured if I were to push it, it would not move. Okay, and now we have the Herrig surface grinder. This thing is pretty cool. I'm going to show you in all its magnetic glory what this thing does. If you go over here, you see this is kind of like an adjustment tool. So I'm going to put it down here on the magnetic surface. You can see, woo, woo, okay, I can still lift it. Now I'm going to pull this all the way back like that, get some leverage. Dion, stop laughing. And now, look at that, completely magnetic. This ain't going anywhere. Okay, I'm going to get some more trivia with you, or for you, and be right back. So before we get into much more trivia, we were thinking about doing kind of a Rusto video. These, as you can see, they're obviously in great shape, but they really need to be cleaned, lubed, just everything to kind of bring them back to their former glory. And I know boys like their toys, and so I'm thinking that's something you guys would be really, really interested in. If you are, you know what to do. Leave a comment down there and I'll get to it. Okay, so back to the surface grinder. This is basically for making tools and precision parts. We don't do a whole lot of that, but for now we are going to clean her up, make sure she's all pretty again, and who knows, maybe we will be using a lot of her in the future. Now the mill, that's a different story. I cannot wait to get my hands on it, do some demos for you guys, obviously clean them up again. Her and him, I don't know why I just did that, but no, I am super excited about these two things. It's just, they're just super cool, you know, and they have that, like, I know it sounds weird, they have that mechanical smell to it where it's just like, oh, it smells so good. Okay, so here I am talking about these machines. Now, Dion has experience, particularly with the mill. I have little to no experience. I've done some pressing, you know, that kind of thing, but I haven't actually mastered any of these types of machines. So I gotta say, I am super excited about finally getting my hands dirty because, I mean, I'm guessing these are almost impossible to break. And I wanted to give you guys, well, I don't want to call it homework because like that's not fun, but if you're proficient in these kind of machines, or if you have videos you'd like to share, or even maybe forums online that you think would be a good idea for me to look through, please go ahead and link them down below because honestly, whenever I get interested in something, I need to know every single thing about it. And all my friends know that about me. So once you're in, you're in. Okay, so even though we got a screaming deal on both these machines, that it just, honestly, it doesn't end there. You need drill bits, you need tools to go with it. Literally, you could probably spend upwards of 20K to fully outfit these two machines. Now, I'm not saying we're going there because, you know, that would take money away from the Mustang or, you know, anything else, and we're not going to use them as much. But just to kind of give you a little hint, every time we get something new for these machines, I'm going to be doing a video about them. So if that's what you're interested in, yay, you came to the right channel. As always, guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Our subscriber count is going up literally every day, and it makes me so happy. So if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? We got plenty of good content here. Go ahead, hit that red subscriber button. Take care, and I'll see you next time.